Check this out, guys. I don't even need a clamp. If you have a strong enough right angle magnet like that, you don't even have to clamp it depending on how heavy it is. That'll save you some time. So there's a couple different ways that you can temporarily hold this in place until you get it tacked. This clamp, I have it resting right there. Now that's not the most conventional way, but it works for something light duty. This is 1/4 inch by 2.5 inch flat bar. Another option we have here is to use the strong arm clamp and then a tube or angle or flat bar, whatever you've got. Make sure that's level. Throw the magnet up there to keep this steady. Make sure it's flush and then tack it. This is for the second shelf of this massive heavy table. Well, here's the progress update. I put these diagonal braces on there so that you got plenty of support. So this is the second shelf, and I put these uprights in there so that the middle of the table has support. I gotta put some more diagonals here. Supposed to be done with this today. Still gotta put the casters on. There you have it. Okay, now we're finally ready. We got 8 diagonal braces on these 4 corners. 8 feet by 8 feet. The second shelf is looking good. They're planning on putting plywood on that. Nice. My Miller Multimatic has done so well for me. Love this thing. Massive 8 by 8 table. It is ready to flip over. We decided it was not safe enough to flip over by hand, so we actually had to use the forklift with the boom extension. Here I use a pallet jack with some spacers, some scrap steel to temporarily lift it up so I had enough clearance for my swivel casters. Look how easy it is to just roll on these industrial 6-inch casters with the swivel part overall 7.5 inches. 8 feet by 8 feet by 38 inches. Guys, this thing is closer to 900 pounds. There's 8 diagonal braces. There's plenty of reinforcements for plywood or whatever material for the second shelf. And there's plenty of support in the middle. The middle will never sag. This is every man's dream table right here.
So you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?